Well, I guess I figured out my problem. It was my flight controller was not soft mounted. That Armattan frame is so damn stiff, I was getting my vibrations through them metal screws into my flight controller. I tried soft mounting it with O-rings, but I either squished it down too tight or the O-rings wasn't soft enough because I still had the problem. What I ended up doing was cutting my bolts off short and using Velcro and Velcroing my flight controller in. And still, the Armattan is such a short standoffs on the frame, it's got it squished down pretty tight, so it ain't gonna come out, but it solved my problem. Holy shit, guys, this Armattan Marmotte Silverback with these 2207 2600 kV motors on here, it's got raw power. I've never felt anything like it before. I can punch out over a tree now like it's nothing. I mean, if I tilt my camera all the way up, I can't even fly it because I'm going so fast I wreck. I've tried and tried to film it, and I just keep crashing and keep crashing and keep crashing. And when I crash, it makes my camera stop recording, so I don't get the footage. So I had to put my camera angle back down to normal so I'd fly normal because the damn thing's too fast. I mean, when you open this thing up, I bet it'll do well over at least 100 miles an hour. It's just unbelievable. And the raw power, I never thought going from a 2205 to a 2207 motor would make that much difference. But good God, I mean, it's like I've got twice as much power as I used to have. I just wasn't expecting that, which is great. I love it. And I'm loving this frame. I have crashed it so many times and so hard, I can done tell this frame's going to hold up good. I crashed yesterday at full throttle. I mean, I had to be doing 95 to 100 miles an hour, and I hit the ground, and it tumbled. It went the length of the field and didn't hurt a thing. And also yesterday I crashed it. I guess y'all seen. I crashed it out there in the woods, and I hit a big old tree limb about half the size of my arm, and it broke the damn tree limb off the tree that was cut laying on the ground and flipped it out across the field, and it didn't hurt a thing. I'm loving the Armattan. Armattan has got my business from now on as long as I can afford one. Hopefully I'll never have to buy another one, but I hope you enjoyed, guys.